Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be making a really delicious condensed milk cake. I've seen this cake so many times on the internet and I really like it. So we're going to be making a very easy version of the condensed milk cake, and I hope you're going to make yours because it's so easy to make and so delicious. So in here I've got 3 eggs in my bowl, and to that I'm going to be adding in a 1/4 cup of butter, and then we just give that a mix. So we're going to be using a can of condensed milk, which is 385 grams. And we give that a mix. And now for our dry ingredients. So we're going to add in 1 cup of flour, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and 1 teaspoon of baking powder. And we just give all that a mix. Just going to put the batter in our baking tin. Now this is going to bake for 30 to 35 minutes at 180 degrees. So the cake is ready and we will cut it up soon.